Hello, welcome to Amanda Baba's Kitchen. I am going to teach you how to make simple Ghana spicy stew. The ingredients I'm going to use are sliced bell peppers, cube, oil, tomato paste, curry powder, shrimp powder, salt, fresh ginger, fresh tomatoes, habanero peppers, onion, and garlic. Here in my blender I have my onion, garlic, ginger, tomatoes, bell pepper, and I'm using 2 habanero peppers. I'm going to put my oil on the stove and leave it to heat up. Now that the oil is hot, I am going to put in some sliced onion. My onion has been in here for a while, so I'm going to add my blended mixture. After it has simmered for a while, add some tomato paste and mix it. After stirring it for a while, you can cover it and leave it to cook. It's been on the stove for about 20 minutes. I'm going to add my shrimp powder, my salt, my cube, and my curry powder. I'm going to mix it and leave it on the stove for about 20 more minutes.
This is the end result. Let me know down in the comments below what other recipes you'd like to learn. Thank you for watching and God bless you. Bye bye.